So Joshua here has our clips. These are Tower Garden clips, and you can buy these off of the website and use them for all sorts of purposes. Normally you see a net cup in something like this, but because I know I'm putting the whole thing in kale, it's easier. Kale gets a really large root system, and Josh, you can show them how to install it here. It's really easy. It just clips right there on the edge of it, and that's it. And then the actual rock wool is going to sit in on that. We'll demonstrate that here in a second. But anything that gets a large root system, you really want to use a clip. Otherwise, you're going to be cutting out the roots. Wouldn't you say, Josh? Mm-hmm. They get really big. So since we know that this entire system, I'll show you right here, is going to be in kale, I always start with a planting worksheet. Looks like I need to add my seedling date. But this is going to be a cheat sheet to tell me what my ppm should be. It'll tell me when I can expect to harvest. And then if I forget what I'm eating, it'll remind me what's there. Of course, we'll put markers in the tower as well. So Josh, if you want to go ahead and start putting those in.
Which ones do you want to start putting
Let's just put all the clips in first, and then we'll follow the planting schematic here. So, and this planting worksheet is available on our website as well. Go ahead. All right, so Josh is going to demonstrate how easy it is to install these. This is rock wool, and he's just pushing it into that support system, and that's it. The roots will get water that is irrigated from above, and it'll trickle down, and that's simply that's it. That's all you do for planting. And this will straighten up. Oops. This thing will straighten up as it gets nutrients and sunshine. And don't worry, you know, if it's kind of wonky as you put it in, it'll get strong from the nutrients and just start growing straight up. So that's how you plant kale. And the other thing to note as you're putting it into the system, you always want to plant into a clean system. So this tower garden has been sanitized and it's ready for the next growing season. That's it. So I just wanted to give you a quick update. This is about a week later. You remember how these looked when they went in? They looked a little limp. They've just really perked up. We've got nutrients running in here, and you can see from this angle the water coming down from the shower cap and just irrigating all the root zone down there. So they look really good. Really happy with how everything's looking.